Yo, G-Trav, doing my bike check for my brand new Sunday I just built up today. Starting from the back, we have a Profile SS48 hole hubs with 9-tooth cassette, Primo 14 gauge, 178 millimeter spokes in the back, laced to a Primo Balance rim with Maxxis grifters on that beast. Revenge brakes. The only thing that probably doesn't match is kind of green, but whatever, I don't give a shit. I got a KMC 715 or whatever, 710 SL chain, gold Profile Wake 25 tooth in the front. Profile SS cranks. SS are rare, you don't see those anymore. They're kind of old, but they're super strong. They're bigger than 22 millimeters, so I had to go to work on the bearings in there. Pedals I'll be getting in a week and a half when Dan gets the pink ones in, the Josh Stricker Primos. These are Primo meat tenderizers. They're pretty much the same ones, just a different color. I like them. I got a fitted down low seat post, seat clamp I forgot to order, so this shitty XS one will do for now. I got an S&M seat on there. Little night cable detangler. It's alright, whatever. Sunday fork, Sunday night. Front hub is a same thing, Profile SS 14 mil, yellow Primo spokes laced with with the alloy nipples. Cable is a pink shadow. Stem is a Colony official stem. Grips are Alienation ratchets. Levers are Odyssey mono levers, the middle ones, not the triggers, whatever. I'm not a fan of the triggers. I got a Snafu detangler here. Odyssey integrated headset. That's pretty much it. That's my baby. Yeah, it cost about a little over $2 grand total, but I love it. It's worth it. Holla back. Peace.